Hello and welcome to the channel Networking Point. So in this video we'll learn about basics in Cisco packet tracer to ping from PC to a router. So we'll take one generic router, we will take a generic PC, and to connect this we will use a generic switch between router and a PC. We will use direct connection, that is automatic wire, PC 0 to switch 0, now switch 0 to router 0. Now I'll give a quick labeling for the IP address which we will be assigning. So the fast Ethernet we will give as 10.0.0.1, and for the PC IP we will give as 10.0.0.2. So just for the graphical interface, I'll show you this. This part is not important. Okay, so now we'll give IP to the router 0 on the port fast Ethernet 0/0, that is 10.0.0.1. Subnet mask will come automatically. Put the port status on. So we have configured router. Now we will configure the PC. Click on PC, then click on desktop, click on IP configuration, and give the IP 10.0.0.2, subnet mask, and now the gateway 10.0.0.1. So we have configured the PC also. So now all this green dot indicates that we have given IP to each of them, and now we are ready to ping. So now click on PC 0, then click on command prompt, then type ping, ping, and the IP address 10.0.0.1. So it gives reply. So it shows that we have sent 4 packet and it has received 4 packet. So it is successfully pinged. So I'll show you in a simulation mode. So I'll drag a message box from PC 0 to router 0. It is successful. Now the message will go like this. So this is the flow of the packet from PC to the router. So please subscribe my channel if you understood this topic. And we have already covered topics, that is user verification, password in router, RIP, ACL, ospf, vlan. So you can view all this in my playlist and subscribe.